Here's how we can transfer money from a Walmart gift card to Cash App. Load up your Cash App application and click on the profile icon found in the top right corner. From here, we want to go into linked banks and then choose link debit card. But we will not link a debit card. Instead, we will click on no card, and it's going to give us a list of all of the different banking institutions which we can choose from. Click on continue here, and we will just use the search bar to search for Walmart. And once we search for Walmart, you can choose from these two options. So Walmart Money Card by Green Dot or Walmart Money Network Pay Card. Now I'll choose the first option here. And once we choose the option, it's going to ask us to log in with our Walmart credentials here. So online user ID and password. Once we have logged in with our Walmart Money Card Green Dot account, then here's how we can actually transfer money. So I'll just go all the way back to my home screen here on Cash App. And from the home screen, we will click on the bank icon in the bottom left. Now we will choose add cash and choose the cash amount which you want to add. You can either choose from these pre-selected amounts, or if you want to do a custom amount, you click on the three dots and type out the amount which you want to transfer. Then click on add and the amount. And if you have successfully linked your Walmart gift card or your Walmart account to Cash App, it is going to transfer over the money from that specific account or gift card into Cash App, and you will be able to see it here in your cash balance. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.